Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with Castle Auto Sales, hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2008 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. Sorry about that, guys. But just like in all my videos, they're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you're seeing, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition. Big reason why we do these video walkarounds, we do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Just reach out and give us a call or a text for the instant quote. But this one is the manual 4-door hardtop. But as you're going to see, it has the rear tinted windows, the running boards. Wheels and tires are in great shape. Tires are definitely 80% plus. No leaks, nothing like that. Looks like once upon a time there was a cover on here. Brand new tire there. Makes me wonder. It was parked up there on our upper lot. Been having a lot of thievery lately on cars, and I'm wondering if somebody had taken the rear cover off of that one. That I do not doubt for a second. I'm gonna have to check the stock photos on the website. Let's go ahead, fog lights. Let's go ahead and unlock this guy. We get the inside condition and features. Open this up here, widen out the shot so you can see around the door frame. So power windows, power locks on this guy. Has a WeatherTech floor mats. Seats are in great condition. I don't see any rips, tears, nothing like that. Let's go ahead and get the back seat real quick and then turn it over here in a second. I want to pop the back as well. And then you have the sound bar. Seats there. Let's go ahead and grab the very back. Open this up. So you got the subwoofer. A little shot from back here. Alright, let's close this guy back. Whoop. Gotta close the glass first. Glass first, Frazier. Glass first. Alright. Let's get some features up front here before I have to climb in here and turn it over. You got the tweeters. There's the mileage there. Again, we'll turn it over in a moment. Stock stereo. Thank goodness this one has the aux. Again, power windows. AC blows cold. And then you got a 6-speed manual. Pretty good shape. Let's go ahead and turn it over real quick because it is a manual. Sure it's in neutral. But yep, there is a mileage there. Let me just go ahead and touch this guy real quick. Yep, there's a mileage there. As you can see, no check engines, nothing like that. Stereo. Alright, let's turn on some lights. Oh, that's all the way up. There we go. Well, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything that I may have missed or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around. If you have questions about delivery, if you're on the islands, up in Alaska or nationwide, you can reach out, give me a call or text. My contact information will be in the description below. I can get you that link for the instant quote. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.